Hello, I'm Kristina Amelong from the Optimal Health Network, and I want to talk about how to boost your immune system from things like COVID-19, but also other airborne diseases and immune challenges. So specifically with COVID-19, hundreds of millions of people have gotten COVID over the last couple of years, and over 6 million people have died of COVID-19. It's more important now than ever to boost your immune system to protect yourself. COVID-19 is an airborne illness that spreads through close contact with other people. So one way that you can definitely protect yourself from contracting COVID is wearing a mask. And in particular, the N95 masks are highly effective against catching COVID-19 or transmitting COVID-19. One important way to help your immune system optimize its functioning is to get great sleep. We will actually have a link below this video that you can check out to hear what our sleep recommendations are. Our diets are key in keeping our immune system strong, so do optimize your diet, and we can help with that through our 10-day diet. The 10 Days to Optimal Health is a great resource for a dietary protocol for optimizing your immune system. It includes recommendations like eliminating sugar and gluten, alcohol, pasteurized dairy. All of those pro-inflammatory foods can diminish your immune function. So do check that out to improve your immune system. Also, our diets often don't give us the breadth and depth of the minerals and vitamins that we need. So supplements can be really important in boosting your immunity. We recommend standard process Immuplex, which is a great multi-spectrum formulation for the immune system of vitamins and minerals. Another supplement that's great is Research Nutritionals Transfer Factors Multi-Immune, which is rich in zinc and selenium, and also the transfer factors that come from colostrum. It's important to keep your vitamin D levels up, so we recommend a liquid vitamin D3 with K2. You really want your vitamin D levels to be upwards of 80 to 100. And then also we recommend gut support, because a lot of the immune system is from the gut. And so SBI Protect powder from Ortho Molecular is fantastic for improving gut immunity. If you need any help with thinking about COVID-19 or boosting your immunity, do reach out to us at Optimal Health Network. We would love to help you, and we do have an individualized consultation process where you can work with me to set up a personal program to boost your immunity. Thank you, and give us a call at 608-242-0200.